Can you legally film outside your property in the UK? Hi guys, and welcome to Simon Security Expert, a place to get no BS advice to help you protect your home without accidentally breaking the law while you're at it. Today's topic is, can you legally film outside your property in the UK? You've just installed your new shiny camera, you're protecting your drive, your car, and also unintentionally, you're filming your neighbour's cat and most of the street. So you're allowed to do that? Well, the short answer is yes, but, and it's a big but, this is where the law, GDPR, and the Data Protection Act come into play. Here's the deal. If your camera only captures footage within your boundary, like your garden, your front door, your driveway, you're all good, that's fine. But if it captures anything beyond that, like the pavement, next door's windows, Karen's flower beds, you are now handling personal data. And congratulations, you are now officially a data controller under the Data Protection Act and GDPR. Bet you didn't think you'd be doing paperwork like that when you bought a Ring doorbell. So what this actually means practically, it means you need a legitimate reason for filming beyond your property, like crime prevention, not because I enjoy people walking their dogs. You need clear signage and you need to let people know that they're being recorded. No one likes being secretly filmed unless, they're on Love Island. Don't share footage on social media. Even if you think someone did nick your parcel, that will get you in hot water fast. And don't keep footage longer than necessary. It's not MI5. And you don't need a 6-month video archive of number 12 taking the bins out. So what about doorbells? The same rules apply. Even doorbells like Ring can fall under GDPR if they're angled too wide or record more than just your doorway. The ICO has already had complaints about this, usually from neighbours who aren't thrilled about being caught on camera every time they nip out in their slippers. How to stay compliant. So here's how you stay on the right side of the law. Use privacy masking. Most decent CCTV systems let you black out areas like windows, public paths, or anything outside your boundary. Secure your footage. Make sure only you have access, not your mate Dave, not in the local WhatsApp group, and definitely not on the internet. Look, you can film outside in the UK. You just have to be sensible about it. And if you want to do it properly, with gear that respects your privacy and actually protects your home, there's a link in the description to join the waiting list for Guardfather Security System. Solid kit, clear rules, and no legal headaches. Give this a like if it helped, subscribe for more no-nonsense security advice, and I'll see you in the next one.